So you might be in a situation where you're trying to go ahead and basically change the audio quality of your particular AirPods. Now, there's a couple of different ways of going about doing this, and you can do this whole entire thing by going into your device where you have your AirPods connected. So, first of all, make sure you have your iPhone or whatever device you have connected to your particular AirPods, and you can start making some changes. Number one, make your way over to your settings application, and then you're going to be able to find your AirPods, hopefully, if they're connected. You can also make your way over into Bluetooth, and you should be able to find your AirPods. If they are connected, you can tap on them and then connect them properly, just like so. Once they're connected, all you want to do is click on the eye, and you can come into your basically your audio editing panel. This allows you to change a lot of things. Number one, if you want to change it from being on transparency mode to being on noise cancellation mode to being on off, you can go through and you can go ahead and modify those things just by being into this panel. So you can go through and change those panels and change those settings whichever way you want to. So you do have that type of capability here. You can also go through and customize your spatial audio as well. So this is another very big thing that you can do here too. So tap on personalized spatial audio, and what this is going to do is it's going to allow you to basically customize your spatial audio here, and that will also help improve your, the kind of experience that you're going to have inside of your phones from that particular side too, which is another really important thing to basically think about. If you keep scrolling through, you'll see a couple other options. You'll see accessibility, you'll see disconnect. So those are kind of the main ones I'd recommend kind of editing up. Another big one that you can kind of change here and there is basically within the applications where you're listening to the audio. Things like Apple Music or anything like that, you can also go inside of those particular applications and change out those like audio settings inside of those apps as well. So that's basically how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.